Marble Honing New Malden by Fabritech Tile Cleaning Surrey. Do you have a marble floor that looks dull, scratched, or stained? Do you want to restore its natural beauty and shine without spending a fortune? Marble is a beautiful and durable material, but it can also be sensitive to acidic substances, abrasive cleaners, and heavy traffic. Over time, these factors can damage the surface of your marble, making it lose its luster and elegance. That's why you need Tile Cleaning Surrey's professional marble honing service that can bring back the life and beauty of your marble floor. They use a special honing process that removes the top layer of your marble, revealing a fresh and smooth surface underneath. This process also eliminates scratches, stains, and etch marks, leaving your marble floor with a uniform and matte finish. You can enjoy the benefits of having a marble floor that looks new and elegant. You can also save money and time, as honing is a fast and affordable alternative to replacing your marble floor. Honing also enhances the durability and resistance of your marble, making it easier to maintain and clean. Contact Tile Cleaning Surrey today and get a free quote for your marble honing project. Visit their website at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk or call them at 07798 608 640. Tile Cleaning Surrey, the best choice for your marble floors.